Hello student. In the previous slide, I didn't mention about I am the lecturer from the Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So I'm starting with the end up with the last that is a third chapter, and the last topic is that a D flip flop. D flip flop operates with only positive clock transition or a negative clock transition, whereas D latch operates with the enable signal. That means the output of a D flip flop is insensitive to the change in the input D except for active transition of the clock signal. As we can see that what is the meaning of D? D is a data transfer. So we have to transfer something data, and then it is a output can be the normal output or it can be a complemented output. You can see that the graphic symbol of a D flip flop is shown in the figure. First is your right at the D, and then it is a clock signal, then the Q and the Q bar are the output. This is the graphical symbol of the D flip flop. The meaning of a D is a data transfer. You have to transfer the data from the one edge to the another edge. This flip flop has a single input D and two output Q and Q bar. The operation of a D flip flop is similar to D latch, but this flip flop affects the output only when positive transition of the clock signal is applied instead of a active enable. We will go to the next. We can show the truth table of D flip flop. If the signal of D is 0, then Qn plus 1 is 0. If the signal of D is 1, then the Qn plus 1 is 1. Therefore, D flip flop always hold the information which is available on data input. D positive transition of a clock signal. From the above state, we can consider and we can write that the Qn plus equals to D. So the next state of a D flip flop is always equal to data input. For every positive transition of the clock signal, it must be high, and for the every transition of the negative signal, it must be low. So they can be used in register, shift register, and some of the counters. Next is the application of a D flip flop that can be used as a latch, divide by 4 ripple counter, ring counter, Johnson counter, and used in register. Next is your T flip flop. T flip flop is a simplified version of a JK flip flop. It is obtained by connecting the same input T to both input J and K flip flop. It operates with only positive clock transition or a negative clock transition. The graphic symbol of T flip flop is shown in following figure. The graphical symbol, you can see that this flip flop has a single input T and two output Q and Q bar. The operation of a T flip flop is same as the JK flip flop. Here we consider the input of JK flip flop as a J equals to T and K equals to T in order to utilize the modified JK flip flop for two combination of a input. So we eliminated the other two combination of J and K flip flop. For two values are complement to each other in T flip flop. So now we can see that the truth table for the T flip flop. If the T is 0, then the output of the Qn plus 1 is Qn. And if it is 1, then it is a Qn bar because it is complemented to the next output. Here, Q and Qn plus are present state and next state respectively. So T flip flop can be used for one of these two functions, such as hold, and complement of the present state is based on the input condition. When the position transition is going, then the clock signal is applied. So now you can see that the input 0, then the present state will be 0 and next state will be 0. If the input is 0, then the present state is 1 and next state is 1. If the input is 1, then the present state is 0 and next state is 1. If the input is 1, then the present state is 1 and next state is 0. The output of the T flip-flop always toggle for every positive transition of the clock signal. So that can be remains high always. So high indicate the 1. Hence the flip-flop can be used in a counter. What are the application of a T flip-flop? Used to design counters in a digital circuits. can be used in a frequency divider circuits. Next is the differentiate between a D flip-flop and T flip-flop. As you can see that the D means a data transfer and T means a toggling of a data. So that means in the D you can see that the NOT gate are connected and the T the clocks are collected. The NOT get connected because it is a complemented data. As soon as the toggling we have a complemented data. The input is a transfer after a delay. When T equals to 1 the output toggles. Used in shift register, used in a counters frequency dividers. So if D is 0, 1, then the Qn plus 1 is 0 and 1. And if the T is 0 and 1, then the Qn plus for 0 is Qn and for 1 is Qn bar. So now you can see this. Next is the differentiate between a latch and flip-flop. As I can say you, the flip-flop have a clock signal, the latch does not have a clock signal. Okay. It is a fundamental building block of sequential circuit and it is made up from logic gates. As a flip-flop, it is also the fundamental building block of sequential circuit, but it is made up from the latch and also compresses the clock signal. So it is continuously checks, the latch continuously checks the input and the output is accordance to the input. And the flip-flop output is accordance to the input as well as the clock. The latches is the level sensitive and the flip-flop are the age triggered. Okay. Then the latches based on the enable function input and the flip-flop is based upon the clock pulses. The latches level triggered means output and the input of the next state depends on the level, that is binary input 1 and 0. The age trigger positive or negative in a flip-flop means output and the input of the next state depends on the change in the clock pulses. In the latch, number of gates are less and in the flip-flop are more. In the latch, power is less and number of flip-flop is more. So the speed of the latch is fast and the speed of the flip-flop is slow. The design is easy in the latch, the design is complicated but complex in a flip-flop. The circuit analysis is a complex in a latches and easy in a flip-flop. It is used in a non-timing critical configuration, so the latches will work as a due to less gates and low power consumption. For a flip-flop, non-power and timing critical configuration, flip-flop can be preferred over a latch. The noise are more because there is no clock signal. It can be a robust. The flip-flop can be a robust. What are the application in the latches? First, keep the condition of the bits to encode binary numbers. Second, computing as well as the data storage. Third, applicable to synchronous system. Fourth, used in a power gating and clock storage devices and many more. What are the application of a flip-flop? It can be used in a register, counter, frequency divider, storage devices and many more. Next is your differentiate between a combinational and sequential circuit. This question is asked in MSBT for the 4 marks, so you have to understand this. So basically the combination circuit is depends upon the previous, it is not dependent upon the present input, not the previous input. The output of the sequential circuit is depends upon the present input, present output and past input and past output. So the combination circuit is no memory element required because we don't want to store any previous value. The sequential circuit required memory because it required to store a bit. Clock input is not necessary in a combination circuit. Sequential circuit clock input is necessary. What are the examples of a combination circuit? Adder, subtractor, code, converter, comparator. What are the examples of a sequential circuit? Flip-flop, shift register, counter, etc. What are the application of a combination circuit? They can be used in a Boolean expression, K-map and truth table. What are the application of a sequential circuit? used in a counters and a register. So these type of the flip-flop and the latches and the circuits are used in a sequential circuit. So thank you. Now we will study about the, if you have any query about the video, you can ask. And after that, some of the calculation part I will explain you in the online session. Thank you.